Market doesn't owe you anything. It gives you an opportunity, not guarantee. So stop expecting anything from it. And the one who actually understands the difference succeeds. And let me tell you a problem here. लोग मार्केट को कभी समझने आते ही नहीं है. They just want to beat the market. And यही तो सबसे बड़ी गलती है guys. So I have decided that in this channel we are going to build the mindset first. That how people think, how we should think about it. Then we'll talk about the strategies, because strategy is everything. And after knowing the strategies, having built the mindset, we'll jump into the execution part. Well, यहाँ हम पहले mindset build करेंगे, because people lack mindset, I feel. I have a very great quote in front of me. A genius is a man who can do the average thing when everyone else around him is going crazy. That is the point. Like, we have to build the mindset first before doing anything ahead. And then I'll tell you the strategies as well. After knowing the strategies, हम approach पकड़ेंगे and then we'll execute. So guys, yeah, great videos are lined up and they are gonna come in the future. So make sure that you subscribe the channel, make sure you like it and share it with your partners who wanna do the business and who wanna come into trading and stocks as well. So yeah guys, that's all for today. It was my introduction. Thank you very much and have a great day.